Hello guys, I got a problem. So this is my PS3 Slim. Wait, this one, 160 gigabytes, and I have a problem. I searched on YouTube and they said keep turning the screws and it will work 10 degrees, right? Well, I did it. It doesn't work. So I kept turning it and turning it for like a half an hour, and it still doesn't work. So it really doesn't work for me. Does anybody know like another fix for my PS3 Slim? Because I miss my games, you know. So that would be awesome. Well, just tell me and I'll try. And it goes right off. Maybe I shouldn't buy a new one. Just tell me what I should do, and well, I'll try. Bye.